we must be able to connect the masses of substances and the actual number of particles undergoing chemical changes in a chemical reaction, because you can't really count the particles directly. And this connection is provided using the unit of mole and Avogadro's number, which is denoted Na for shorthand. So 1 mole is 6.022 by 10 to the 23, and this can refer to anything. So in the context of chemistry, that could mean a number of atoms, ions, molecules, and so on. So in the periodic table, the average atomic mass is provided, and that's in atomic mass units. And 1 atomic mass unit is the same thing as 1 gram per mole, which we'll show in a subsequent video. And this is also referred to as the molar mass. So therefore the number of moles of a substance is equal to the mass on the molar mass. So for example, you have grams in the numerator and grams per mole in the denominator, which ends up giving you mole in the numerator. Now suppose we want to find the mass of 1 lithium atom. Well, what we have is 6.94 grams per mole. And we multiply this by a quantity where we have moles in the numerator and atoms in the denominator. So therefore when the mole cancels, then we obtain grams per atom. So as we saw, Avogadro's number tells us that for every mole we have 6.022 by 10 to the 23. And in this context, we're looking at atoms. So this gives 1.15 by 10 to the minus 23 grams per atom, which is the mass of a lithium atom.